Hi, welcome to NSI Tools, the official NSI Solutions YouTube channel. NSI Solutions originated when Kris Jorgensen, a stone fabricator and shop owner, decided to improve the quality of the seams in his granite countertops. His solution was the Seam Phantom. 15 years later, we are still building Seam Phantoms and have expanded our products to include the Sink Bowl, Top Polish Kit, the Rapid Z line, the SL3 Family, and Twist Shims. Every new idea is a solution to one of the challenges encountered daily in the stone shop, and every product we build is used and refined in Kris's shop first. On this channel, you can expect tutorials, product overviews, training, maintenance, and more. Thank you for checking out our channel, and we hope you find what you need to make your stone work easier, faster, and provide a higher quality finish.